So today we will discuss chapter 25, that is notice writing. What is a notice writing? A notice is an announcement which is circulated in the written form to give some important information to a large group of people. We usually write a notice in school. You must have noticed this. So, what is the purpose of writing a notice? A notice is written to give information about a sports event, a cultural event, a meeting or conference, any death, birth, visit by someone in future inspection, excursion. So these are the reasons why we write a notice. In school also, you must have seen a notice. You get to see the notice on the bulletin board usually when a sports event or a cultural event is organized. So that is the main purpose we write a notice. Now for any project, for a social cause to be undertaken and so on, so these are the various purpose of writing a notice. Given below is a notice. Now we will look at an example of a notice and we will understand how to write a notice. As you read it, note the format and the important details which have been included. Imagine that you are the principal of a school. Inform the students and teachers about the change in school timings due to onset of the winter season. We have to write a notice as a principal of the school to inform the students and teachers regarding the change of timing due to winter season. So here is a notice given. The name of the school has been written on top in the center part. You can see this notice has been written inside a box. So it is very important to write a notice within a box. So first you write the notice and then put it inside a box. So you can see St. Mary's Convent. If your school is Mount Carmel School, you have to write Mount Carmel School. Okay, this is the issuing authority, the name of the school or institution. Then just below it, write notice in the same way. Full block letters, complete block letters. Then just below it, change in school hours for winter. This is the subject of this notice, the main purpose why we are writing this notice, and that subject has to be mentioned in few words just below the notice part. You can see the date is given here on the left hand side and the format has to be followed very carefully. 5th November 2021. You have to write it in the same way. 6th, 7th. That TH has to be on top. Just as it is written here, and the name of the month and year. It has to be written in this same way. Okay, so this is the heading, this is the name of the issuing authority, and here is the date. Now comes the main part. See how this notice has been written in very few words. Just a few sentences have to be written. Teachers and students are hereby requested to note the following changes in school timings. Old timings, new timings. Upper KG and LKG 9 a.m. to 12:30 p.m. New timing is 10 a.m. to 1:30 p.m. Classes 1 to class 10. Old timing 8:15 a.m. to 2:15 p.m. New timing is 9:15 a.m. to 3:15 p.m. All are requested to abide by the new timings with effect from 15th November 2021. You can see how this notice has been written. Only the very important points have to be mentioned. No other things, no unnecessary things have to be written. Only the main information has to be conveyed, and that has been conveyed very effectively. You can see just one line has been written that you are informed, you are requested to note the following changes in school timings and see how the timings have been mentioned according to class. So in the same way you have to write. Now after finishing this notice, you will have to write your name. P. Prasad, that is the signature. Okay, P. Prasad, name, signature and designation. Okay, the position, you have to write it in this way. Now, we have to also keep in mind some features or characteristics that we have to keep in mind while writing a notice. What are they? A notice is written within a box. I told you that after writing the notice, you just put it inside the box. Draw a line, a square line. It should be a square line. It should be encircled within a square line, just like it, square or rectangle line. All right. It has to be written within a box. It is usually written in the third person. Third person means not I and you, means we are addressing the third persons as teachers and students. Here the notice has been written for teachers and students and they are the third persons. So usually we write a notice for third persons. Okay. However, for some notices the first person we or the second person you may be used. For some notices we also use the first and second person, and that we will discuss later. It must be short, precise and relevant to the topic. The notice should be very short, very brief and to the point. It usually has a word limit of 50 words. So you have to follow some word limit, usually of 50 words. The name and address of the issuing authority is placed at the top, as I told you, followed by the word notice, the date and heading. Then it is followed by notice, the date, and here it is, the heading. The name and designation of the signatory authority should be placed at the lower left hand corner of the notice. Name and designation has to be placed in the lower left hand side corner. Okay. The tone of the notice should be objective, impartial and formal. So the tone of the notice should be objective. It should have an aim and it should be written in formal language and it should not be supportive of any party. It has to be impartial, formal and objective. It has to be to the point. The language should be formal and it has to be written in short. That is the main thing that you should know. Okay, now turn the page. The above points should always be remembered while writing a notice. So here are several examples that are given. Okay. So you can see you are the secretary of the Readers Club Kolkata. Your club will be publishing a monthly magazine. Draft a notice asking the members to contribute their articles, stories, poems, cartoons and so on for the magazine. Give all the important details. You can see how this notice has been written. The name of the issuing authority comes on top center, Readers Club Kolkata. Then notice and then date, the heading here, monthly magazine. It has been written in a brief, it has been written in short. The club is planning to publish a monthly magazine which will feature many articles, stories, poems, interviews and photographs. Members who are interested can submit their work to the undersigned latest by 30th June 2021. This date has to be mentioned by which date you want the work to be done. Then the full name on the left hand side and then the designation. Same format has to be followed everywhere. Now let us look at this particular notice. Write notices based on the following situation. I'm choosing this notice because we usually come across such type of notice in school. You are the head boy or head girl of your school. Your school is going to launch a program to teach street kids in the school premises every Sunday from 10 a.m. to 11:30 p.m. a.m. Draft a notice inviting names of students from different classes who are willing to volunteer as teachers for the program. How you will write it? You just have to write it in this way. Write the name of the school, Mount Carmel School, comma, Ormanji. Notice. Then the date, 21st September, whatever the date is, write the current date. Then here it is written painting exhibition, but the topic is about teaching street kids, right? So the topic you have to write it as teach street kids, and then you will write in this way that all the students are hereby informed that our school is launching a program to teach street kids in the school premises every Sunday from 10:30 to 11:30 a.m. It is very simple. Then students who are willing to volunteer as teachers for the program can submit their names to the respective class teachers by this and this date. Okay, then write your name and your designation, head boy. Suppose if we look at this particular notice, you are the head boy or head girl of the school, and your school is organizing a painting exhibition. So you have to write a notice inviting names, those who want to participate in the exhibition. So you will write it in this way. This notice is very important. Mount Carmel School Ormanji, Mount Carmel School, Ormanji. Notice. Then write the date here. Then painting exhibition. Write it in this way. The school is organizing a painting exhibition on 4th. Just write the any date which you want to mention from 11 a.m. Write the timing also from 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. for classes 6, 7 and 8. Okay, mention every detail. Painting exhibition is organized on which date, at what timing, and for which classes. All these things have to be mentioned. This year's theme would be global warming. Okay, interested candidates are requested to submit their names to the respective class teachers by mention the date. So this is how we write a notice. End it with your full name on the left hand side, and right here it is written cultural secretary. Now you can write head boy or head girl. If you are the head boy and head girl, and you have to write a notice to to invite names, to write a notice. If you have to write a notice to invite the names for students who want to participate in the exhibition. So you will write it in this way. All right. This you have to remember. It's not very difficult to write. You just have to follow the format, and the sentences have to be very short, and it should be brief and to the point. That has to be remembered. So that's all for this notice writing. Okay. Thank you.